Welcome to the Hamzig Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Thursday, January 3rd, 2013. Have a great New Year's. Hope everything was great with you and your family. And now let's get back to the market. Today, market internals 384 for the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential. For the Nasdaq advanced decline differential, we closed at negative 100. There were 67 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 2 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. Very high readings here on the number of 52-week highs. For the volatility, 851,000 contracts traded on the VIX today with 78 million in total premiums paid. Very big volume here. For January, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio 2, which is bullish, with a 32% of the total premiums paid, and on February at 1.29, which is neutral with 45% of the total premiums paid. Those are worth keeping in mind here. We have a very bullish front month, and we'll see what happens tomorrow with non-farm payrolls. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. We were down 3 handles for the day. Pretty much flat after yesterday's huge day. You could see here yesterday's bar from 0 sigma to positive 3 sigma. Very nice movement yesterday. And for tomorrow we have non-farm payrolls. I'm looking for a better number than expected. I'm looking for 1473, 1475, a test of that positive 3 sigma, and also a test of last year's highs. That's going to be important in case we do get a bad number. Maybe try to target 1450, 1448. Those are the numbers I'm looking at. 1473, 1475 on the upside, and 1450, 1448 on the downside. Here we could see, here we have another chart. That's the level I'm looking, the lower trend line, a little bit below that one. That's what I'm looking for as a lower level tomorrow. And on the highs, I'm looking that peak that you could see there around September. For the Qs, we broke the 100-day moving average. We broke all of our channels we had here since November to January. And here we could see I'm looking for 68.22. That's going to be my target on the Qs for tomorrow. If we get a bad number, we're going to test that 200-day moving average at 65.6. So those are the levels to have in mind here for tomorrow. We're looking here at IWM. We're making all-time highs here. As you can see here, very nice. Today we were flat. And what I'm looking here is for another up trend line. Here I'm looking for 88 as our next target on the upside. And on the downside, I'm looking for 85.50. So those are the movements I'm looking at. I'm still bullish on IWM. I think it's going to outperform here on the beginning of this 2013 year. GLD, we broke down, and Monday we had a big update. Yesterday we have a huge update, as you can see here. But the important thing here, we hold that downward trend line we have here. Then we started selling off, finished at the lows of the day, and today we were down 1.3%, breaking that support level. We are also holding the 200-day moving average. I'm looking for lower prices tomorrow. I'm continuing to hold my 158 target on GLD. SLV chart, this is the last one we're going to look at here. We have this short upward trend line we're holding so far. I'm still looking for lower prices. 28.75 is going to be a very important level. 4-year support, so watch that level here. But I think we're still going lower here on SLV. Look at the way we reversed from that movement up yesterday and just finishing down today 2.5% lower after yesterday's sell-off. I still think we're going lower, but watch that 28.75. That might be a good level to cover if you are short on this name.